over 500 million people enjoy our public lands each year. We enjoy such luxuries, in large part, due to the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Unfortunately, many of our vets struggle upon their return with something as simple as basic lack of housing. But you can help. Just visit herosoapcompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping Badge help our vets.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
My Hero Soap came in. That's right. Got 6 bars. I'm gonna tell you something. If you want to help support our veterans, you buy the Hero Soap, and it's natural soap infused with essential oils, not loaded with chemicals and or fragrances. Alright, so they're helping the veterans, and they donate money back to the veterans off of what they make. The cool part is, Badge, everyone needs one. He has a code. You put in code BADGE, and that code, he's supposed to get the 15% off of it, but he doesn't. He has that also go to the veterans. Alright, so it's a double whammy. But you put in Badge, you get 15% off. I got these 6 bars. I'll tell you real fast here while that dog is barking. Cedarwood Charcoal, Peppermint and Cool, The Woods, Lavender, and Peppermint and Tea Tree. They gave me a cool sticker. If y'all know Papa, Papa collects stickers. Yes, I do. Alright. You know what? I'm going to leave a link down below to Badge and his channel. Him talking about the soap and having all the information down in his. He wants to sell 2,020 bars of soap to help our veterans through that Badge promotion. Alright, I bought me 6 bars. I will be buying some more in a cool shirt. Cool shirt. Thank you. Information will be down below. That's right. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Enjoy.
Oh, it's Papa. Papa, Texas.
Stop.
Yeah.
Good try. Okay, do it again, but pause for a second before you take off.
Oh. I gotta remember what the hell I said.
Yeah. Papa, Texas. Yeah.
We all know that Badge helps people every day. Well, today you can help Badge help our veterans. Just visit herosoapcompany.com, place an order, and enter the code BADGE at checkout. You'll get a 15% discount at the same time you'll be helping our vets. So, visit herosoapcompany.com and place your order today.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing it.